Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate and turn on OneDrive Files on Demand in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and volume controls. From here, you'll see the OneDrive Cloud icon among your other system icons. Go ahead and click on it to open your OneDrive window. This will bring up the main OneDrive interface where you can manage your cloud storage and settings. Now, to activate and turn on OneDrive Files on Demand, navigate to the top right corner of your OneDrive window. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents your settings menu. Click on this gear icon and a context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, locate and click on Settings. This action will open the Microsoft OneDrive Settings window, which is where you'll configure the Files on Demand feature. Once the Settings window appears, look at the left side menu where you'll see various configuration categories. Click on Sync and Backup to access the synchronization options for your OneDrive account. This section controls how your files are stored and accessed between your computer and the cloud. Under the Sync and Backup section, scroll down until you see an Advanced Settings drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to expand the menu and reveal additional configuration options. These advanced settings give you more granular control over how OneDrive operates on your system. Continue scrolling down further through the expanded menu until you find the Files on Demand section. Now, here's an important note to keep in mind. The Files on Demand option only appears if you have a premium Microsoft OneDrive subscription. If you're not seeing the toggle button in this section, it means you'll need to upgrade your subscription plan to access this feature. The Files on Demand capability is one of the premium benefits that allows you to see all your files without downloading them, saving valuable storage space on your device. If you do have a premium plan on your OneDrive account, you'll see the toggle button right here in the Files on Demand section. Simply click on the toggle button to enable the Files on Demand feature for your Microsoft OneDrive. Once you activate this, all your OneDrive files will appear in File Explorer, but they won't take up space on your hard drive until you actually open them. And that's it! You've successfully activated OneDrive Files on Demand, which means you can now access all your cloud files directly from File Explorer without downloading everything to your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.